Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be talking with you about some parts, what is prompt in JavaScript, and I'm gonna be telling that how to add CSS in an HTML file and how to add HTML in JavaScript file. Okay, so I made this, and this is index, and this prompt. What is prompt? Prompt is the same thing as alert, but it wants you to answer a question. It doesn't tell if it's correct. Only console.log tells, because only console.log tells if it's correct or it's not. So let's start. So here is it. So what is 1 plus 1? And you're gonna do is 2. It will not tell you if you do 3 something. It will not tell you if it's wrong. Like if you do in console.log, I don't know, I'm just testing. Get this, get this, get this. This is much better. So let's open the inspect element here. Ooh, I was testing my website. That's why it would go. Let's go to console and refresh the page. I don't care. Just we talk about console.log, but it's still telling the errors that we got. Alright, like you will do let a become 2, and then you're doing now that we did like this, it's nothing. So now I'm gonna be telling you about how to, like you're typing over here. This is CSS. So that CSS has style sheet, cascade style sheet, and then in that time we are using the script is for JavaScript. Style is for CSS, and inner dot HTML is for HTML, as we know. So that is the basics. So bye.